Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change DNS settings for better internet on Windows 11. So for that you need to right click on network on the bottom of your taskbar on the right hand side, and after that open up network and internet settings, and there you will be able to see properties option. Just click on it, and after that scroll down and you will be able to see this option of edit DNS settings. Just click on edit and set it to manual instead of automatic, and after that you need to enable IPv4, and in the preferred DNS section you need to type 8.8.8.8, basically 4 times 8 with dot between them, and in the alternate DNS option you need to type 8.8.4.4, basically 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. And in the preferred DNS encryption option you need to click on it and select the option of encrypted preferred and unencrypted allowed, and you need to select the same option in alternate DNS encryption, and after that you need to save these settings and open command prompt, and after opening command prompt you need to type ipconfig/flush DNS, and with that you will be able to clear the cache memory of DNS of your PC, and after that all you have to do is just use your browser and your settings for DNS will be changed. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.